Okay, if it looked like we were fakers, we actually brought out a box that had a drill thing in it.
Power drill.
A power drill. We're not very knowledgeable when it comes to this stuff. But we found a hammer.
Okay. So how are we gonna do this one? We're gonna do it long ways or just flat ways?
Oh. I was thinking. Thanks, Jonathan. I feel like since we don't have a front right now, taller's not better. I feel like wider is better. Because if we do it long ways, then it will get stacked up high, but there's no front. I feel like this way might be better, but I don't know. I think it might be better to stack it up. I'm not sure. Okay, so yeah, do you want to explain how we're gonna do it?
Yeah, we're gonna put it sideways, so lengthwise. This is vertical. We're gonna put it horizontal, very simple, and just get one here and one here and make like a little hedge and nail them together.
Samuel's a little box where we've been collecting our compost.
Yeah.
And we have like a little ceramic dish. Whoa, it bounces. We have like a little ceramic dish in the kitchen where we store it, and then every day pretty much we dump our compost in there. So we have a little something started. Okay, let's go.
Because there's no angle to try and do it like this.
Oh, I see,
do
because
it
it would be hard to
sideways.
hammer.
So this one,
What about coming from this angle?
you can try for that side, but it will only be on that side.
Yeah. I wish I could go barefoot. I'm gonna go see if I can find a big stick to put in the middle of the compost pile so that we can keep it aerated and stir it frequently. It's technically winter here, even though it's quite warm for winter. I can't wait till everything blooms. A bit in the fall too. It's gonna be beautiful. Oh, it's a lot of bricks. That's interesting. Samuel and I were talking about possibly in the summer trying to make a homemade pizza oven. And we need bricks. I wonder if anyone's using that for anything. That would be very cool.
Dump the rest in.
Let's put this stick in here.
Yeah.
Ow.
We are about to put up the clothesline. So pick 2 of the trees, I think, and decide which one works best, and then hang up this string in between here, and then we have 2 hooks.
Yeah.
But yeah.
We'd like to do the clothesline that has the posts, but the posts are so expensive, so we just can't afford it right now. So we're hoping that eventually we'll just stumble maybe upon one.
We'll see. We'll see what we can do. Who knows? Maybe a tree falls.
That's gonna be a big post.
Yeah. We'll see how it goes.
But for right now, we'll have a temporary one because I really like hanging stuff up in the sun. I've been learning about how when you hang stuff in the sun, it really helps kill bacteria, helps clean things better, especially like you know, rags that we're gonna use for sourdough or for making soy milk. I want to make sure those are very clean.
How high are we thinking about? Right there? Figure out what would work the best. I'm not a tool guy, you know? This is crazy. That's how you get strong in the country. Country strong.
Okay, so we're gonna tie it in a way that we can like glide it.
Yeah. How do we do that? That's up to
Oh,
you.
it's a square knot. We go right over left and left over right. They use it for with boats.
Yes, because we are on the ocean.
No, but it used to be.
The vast ocean.
Yeah.
Your mom works 2 jars. Cool. See, I never learned how to tie knots besides bunny ears.
And then you take the 2 sides and you go like this. Right, that doesn't look right. No, I tied a. This is not right. That looks like a figure 8 knot.
Does it work though?
I don't know.
We can find out. That too saggy? Or just saggy enough?
Let's see. Let's put some weight on it. I think that's actually perfect. It's not going to sag that much. This is the max it's going to sag.
Okay, for comforters and stuff?
I think it's good. We can tie this one tighter for comforters and stuff.
Perfect.
But
And stuff.
So how it works now, we can go like this with our laundry. I put one thing on, move it down the line, put another thing.
Yeah, that's cool. You see that in the movies.
Yeah. We normally use a pulley system from what I've seen, but
Yeah, I've seen that too, but we don't have
yeah.
that.
All right. Will you try squeezing that, like pulling the knot just with your man strength?
Man strength. Sure. Not too much. Ah. That should be good. That's tight.
Yay.
Yeah. The Flash.
I want to go do laundry now.
Oh, yeah.